Again, we are at the track for another track day in the old third gen, so I'm gonna go down, get teched in, get my map, and get to racing. All right, y'all, so here is the track map, and we are actually set up backwards. The Bluetooth is also disconnected. Normally you take off and you run that way, but today we're going that way. Also, third gen guys here. Well, definitely completely different setup running backwards, but it should be super fun. There's some really good spots. I would say this slalom, figuring out how to set up for that, and then going into these boxes, they look like they're pretty far apart, but they're actually really tight. So that should be fun. And you know, go figure, I'm working that. That's station 4. So yeehaw, there's gonna be some cones that are gonna have a bad day today, but not me. Not me.
Is there a green light on?
All right, coming up for a first time here. I'm hoping for like a 56. Maybe not, I don't know. I've been looking at some other cars, so hopefully I get a clean run like 56. We'll see. We'll approve from there. Yep. Fun. I think I went the right side on the slalom. I don't know. That was a fun track. I don't know if it was clean. Hopefully it was clean. Clean run and around 53.4. What's up, girls? That one was a 52.8, so still faster, and I almost looped it, so I think we'll get a 50. Let's get a 50. No helmet here, but hey, I just gotta throw this quick plug. Bremerton SCCA, awesome club. If you guys live in Washington State, especially Bremerton, Seattle, Tacoma area, don't even think about it. Go on the calendar and figure out scheduled events and come do one of these autocross events. They are just so much fun. Everyone is so cool. The event runs so smoothly, and you just learn so much about your car. I mean, it's out of control. I encourage you, don't be intimidated. Everyone is so nice, so friendly, and everyone just wants to get faster. felt pretty good. All right, well, 51.7, so we're dropping. The last one was a 52.8, so I think the 50's doable. We're gonna have to turn her up a pinch. You know, the old 305 is doing good. 30 pounds of oil pressure, sitting right at like 190. Can't ask for much more. I think I'm gonna go a click down on the rear suspension, soften it up just a pinch more, and see what that does. Hopefully I don't regret it. That felt pretty good. Hopefully we got it. We'll see. That's all we can do. I'm just telling you, go get yourself an affordable car and get out there and do this stuff. It is just too much fun. It's so much fun, dude. Go-kart racing, any of that, that's a hoot. All the fun shenanigans we do, so much fun. But this is just an absolute blast, you guys. I'm telling you. The suspension, and obviously just upgrading as you go. Like, you don't have to have your car done to go out and have fun. It helps, but it's definitely still fun, and it just gets more and more fun. Thanks, brother. 50.584. There we go. New Tom record. Dang it, that was gonna be a good run. I absolutely love this car. That was a really fun track, but I love this car. This suspension's amazing. I can't wait to get the front end done. Man, this is so much fun. You got to get out here and do this. Doesn't matter what you have, just go do it. It's just a hoot. Well, what is going down, everybody? This was track day number 2 with the full QA1 suspension Outback, and I am so excited to do all the front suspension because this has completely changed this car once again. Just the response of the car, the stability of the car, absolutely amazing. So I can't wait
The old girl's going under the knife again. We'll get all the front stuff swapped out. There'll be a video coming of that soon. But yeah, lots more on this car. But this is just a great example of getting a car for a very realistic price, having fun in it. I drove this car for a year and a half the way I got it. And then I just started adding to it. The suspension was a big investment, but it was well worth it because it's completely changed this car. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like. Don't forget to subscribe.